Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see the cursor pagination in ASP.NET Core, or I will tell you like why we need the cursor pagination. In the most of the application we always use the traditional pagination where we in the API we give the the page number along with that the page size of like how many rows I want in that page as well. Okay, so this is the pagination that we have used till here. Okay, now it's time to see like what is the cursor pagination and how to implement this step as well, because whenever we work with the large system application, so at that moment like we always face the issues like our queries is taking much time to retrieve the data because of the number of large data exist in the table. So this is why we need the pagination, and we need to improve our pagination as well. So there is a important concept which is the cursor pagination. Okay, so at this moment I have created an API where we are just using the traditional pagination, where I will just give the page number or the page size as well. So suppose at the page number 3 I want the 1500 records. Okay, or in my database I have around 1 million plus records as well. Okay, or these data are random data. Okay, I have inserted the random data in this table. Okay, so let's see that how to work with this thing as well. So first let's get the data with the traditional pagination. Okay, or I will try to fetch the 1500 records with this pagination, or I will tell you the next step where we can improve our pagination in a very beautiful way. Okay, or definitely we will use the pagination and definitely we will see the performance wise as well. Okay, at this time you will see it is taking much time to receive all the data through the pagination. Okay, so this is the thing that you should know about the pagination as well. Okay, or there you see that execution timeout expired because it is iterating through the things as well. Okay, or you will see it is giving us a query or we are getting results like this. Okay, so if I run this query again, okay, still we will get the things here. Okay, now we got the records, or the number of records is around 1500 records. Okay, so I hope you get to know idea about like what we are actually trying to do. Okay, or in the first trial we got the uh, timeout error. Okay, so this error may cause in the future as well. So what you need to hear, we have to improve our API, or like we have to improve our query performance as well. So let me show you that what I have done so far till here. Okay, so this is the product repository. Okay, in this repository I am just using the queryable, or what the thing I am doing here, I am just trying to get and skip the data using the skip or take function. Or finally I am getting the things here. Okay, with the page number, with the page size, I am just getting this data. Now it's time to see like what is the cursor pagination and how to implement this thing here. Okay, so right now I am using the mediator pattern. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Okay, I have already covered the mediator pattern and the clean architecture in most of the videos as well. Okay, so I won't cover it again. Okay, so what is the cursor pagination? In the cursor pagination, we want to use this skip function. Okay, instead of it we will give the last row of id. Okay, so on the basis of last row of id, we this step will be skipped. Okay, like we won't use this skip step. If through this we don't need to iterate over that much element in the table as well. Okay, so this is why we will save our CPU cost and the database cost as well. So this is why, or we will get the records very faster as well. So let's implement the steps as well. Okay, So first let me write the things for you, okay? Or I am trying to get the list of records, okay? Or get products by cursor, okay? Cursor async, okay? So I am just giving us here, okay? Or the like last id of the record I will use here, okay? Or the like which like how like page size as well, okay? So these two variables I will use here, okay? Like these two parameters I need at this moment, okay? Or I will just copy this thing here, go I will go there, okay? Or public async, thereafter I will paste it here, okay? Like guys, this is a very like easiest step you ever see here, okay? So this is the thing that we are trying to do here, okay? Or now what's the thing I am doing here, okay? So in the cursor pagination we will use the where condition. The where condition we are just trying to get all the records who comes after the this last id, okay? Or this last id of the record we will send in this api, okay? Or we first thereafter we have to order by our records on the basis of like we will take the that much records that we need here, okay? So why like where we can use this trick or like this approach in our application as well. Suppose you're scrolling pagination, like you're using the scrolling pagination. So at this moment you can get the last record of the id, like id of the last record, okay? Thereafter we can send this thing here, okay? Or trust me, this is like this will made the huge impact on your api as well, okay? So I have setting up the repository, or it's time to create the product queries as well, okay? So I will create the record get product by cursor, that's cursor, or query, that's super. I will pass the like last id and the page size as well, that's very good. So I have set up all the things, or now it's time to create the query handler as well. So we have created the query handler using using the AI, okay? Like it is the automated things. I love the things very much here, okay? Now it's time to go to the controller, or in the controller where it is, where this is the controller we are using here, okay? Or I will create a method with public async task I action result, okay? I action result where it is causing the issue, uh, that's pretty good. Or pagination by cursor, that's awesome. So we have set up the things here, okay? Or it's time to format our api, or name this api as http post, okay? Pagination by cursor, that's pretty good, okay? Or copy, I will copy this thing here, or I will go here, okay? Or I will create a new endpoint in the postman, that's pretty good. Or change the name of the apis here, or like this. Or what the parameter I need to send here, okay? Okay, so we are making some mistakes here, let's fix there. Or last id of the suppose my last id of the record is like 1500, okay? Or the page size, like I want to fetch the 1500 records after the last id as well, okay? So what the things I will do here, okay? So basically we have to run this application again, or we got, okay? So we have the successfully build our application, or let's wait for the application is running here or not, okay? Or let's go there, or send the request here. So thereafter we can see, okay? So it is still in the waiting mode, okay? So let's send the request again on the postman. So yes, so we have the things like we have implemented the cursor pagination, okay? Or at this moment we have the 1 million records here, okay? So like in such a way, like you can like you are not iterating the entire table. Okay, you are just trying to like like access the things here. Okay, so you see like how fast like we are fetching the records, okay, through the cursor pagination. But if you want to see like how much time is taking in this thing, okay, so I will just use the stopwatch, or if this thing executes, I will stop it here. Okay, or now it's time to show the things here. Okay, so new, I will create an object or time duration. So the time duration, I like stopwatch dot elapsed milliseconds. Okay, or the next thing, like I'll print the results as well. Okay, so in, or like we will make comparison between these two pagination approach, so that we can assume like we can see all the results clearly as well. Okay, so time equals to, okay, so before so first we have to call the stopwatch here. That's pretty good. After this step execution, we will just stop our stopwatch here. Okay, it's time to get the stopwatch elapsed milliseconds, or I will just give the results here. That's pretty good. Okay, first now let's hit the API, so that we can like see the things like how the things looks like when we work with the traditional pagination and the cursor pagination as well. Okay, so let's wait for run this application, so thereafter like we will see the things here. Okay, or we are just trying to fetch the records here. Okay, or let's change this thing here. Okay, suppose I want like I am at the like page number 26. Okay, or at page number 26 I will try to fetch the 1500 records through the traditional pagination. Or I let's send the request here. Okay, so thereafter we can like make the comparison between these things as well. Okay, so you will see that we go the total execution time is like 3630, okay, milliseconds. Or in the cursor pagination, we are just sending the last record of ID of the last record. Okay, or but like I want the next 15 records after this ID. Okay, or it's time to send the records. Okay, so let's see that how much time it will take. You will surprise that it is only taking 148 milliseconds. Guys, you love this thing as well. Okay, like how the major differences you will notice here. Okay, in fact, I am trying to face the records after the 60,000 number of ID. Okay, so you will see still it is taking like 135 milliseconds, or we are getting the 1500 records. Okay, or we are, or at this moment you will see like this is the traditional pagination, or this is the cursor pagination here. Okay, so I hope you love this video, you love this content as well. Oh guys, this is the like important thing that you should know about the pagination, because pagination sometimes kill your application performance. Okay, or as you see the things the time differences, huge time differences between these things as well. Okay, or it is almost 0 seconds. Okay, so this is the things between the junior developer mindset and the like .NET Architect mindset as well. Okay, I am trying to make you the things as well. Okay, so if you love this content, if you love this video, so guys, I just want to request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, whatever as well, and hit the like button. So till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.